Francisco's Automotive. If you got a Subaru and you are looking for a mechanic, where do you go? I'm on Slater in Huntington Beach between Beach Boulevard and Gothard, 7662 Slater Avenue. I've been working on Subarus since the 80s. Lately, in the last 10 years, they've become very, very famous. I mean, they're all over the place. If you live in the city of Huntington Beach, Seal Beach, Newport Beach, you see them all over the place. They're everywhere. Dealers are popping up. The popularity has gone tremendous. They're a very safe car. The Outback, the Impreza, the WRX, they are very well put together. This is my shop. I have a 10-bay automotive repair shop. We specialize in electrical and air conditioning. But we do everything. We do the easy stuff, the brakes, anything you need on a Subaru, you call us. God forbid you get in an accident, give me a call. I'll guide you to the right mechanic, to the right body shop. So I've been in business since 1985. I've been in Huntington Beach since 1975. So any need on Subaru, give us a call, 714-375-2661.